Shalom, dear ones. I hope you are doing well and that you had a good weekend and that you're adjusting to daylight saving time. Well, actually, I'm at the CCR convention this week. Well, not really. It was supposed to be in New Orleans, but alas, like so much this year, that too could not happen. So it is a Zoom convention with lots of good information and sessions, so I will kind of be at the CCR convention this week. So while I'm away this week, for our chat today, you are very blessed to have Cantor Edmondson for our noon on Zoom chat today. Also today at 2 p.m. will be Kreploch Dim Sum. Through lively stories, photos, videos, and music, Robin Heltzner shares an irresistible enthusiasm for both the ancient and modern Jewish communities of Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Kaifeng. This event is jointly organized by the synagogues of the South Bay, including Temple Emanu-El and Jewish Silicon Valley. On Thursday, March 18th at 7 p.m. will be the secrets of a successful home garden with Master Gardener Rabbi Marv Goodman and Louise Christie. Enjoy the bounty of a home garden, learn the secrets of planning and planting a garden from Master Gardeners. Rabbi Goodman will share his thoughts on the spiritual and social justice aspects of gardening, how gardening can make a difference in our world, while Louise will share the top 10 habits of happy and successful gardeners. Please join us for an entertaining and interesting evening this Thursday. The gardening workshop hosted by the Temple Emanu-El Green Team, and we are proud of their work. Pesach is around the corner, and our Passover in a Box order form is now live on our website. So too we'll have our Zoom second night Seder on March 28th at 5 p.m. Come join Cantor Edmondson and myself for our lovely congregational Seder. All are welcome. Next Thursday, our Jewish film discussion will be on Ma Rainey's Black Bottom, a wonderful movie that is nominated for a couple of Oscars and is a winner of a Golden Globe Award. You can see it on Netflix. And we have a lot going on this weekend. Friday night will be a live Tot Shabbat at 6 p.m. and at 7 p.m. will be a streamed video service. This Saturday, March 20th, in the morning will be the Zoom Mitzvah of Justin Ball. Mazal Tov to the entire Ball family. On Sunday will be the final episode of The Jews of Lithuania, taught by our own Shirley Lee. If you missed any of the previous episodes, they are available on our YouTube channel. Also, join me this Sunday at 11 a.m. as we'll have a very special session with Muki as we will discuss the upcoming Israeli election. This will be a very lively and thoughtful discussion. Come and join both of us. Please take care of yourselves. May you have a wonderful week. And of course, I hope to see you on something Zoomy. Shalom.